So, ladies and gentlemen, I think this is my small wallet. Okay, this is my small wallet. This is my small wallet. So let's go about it. See how we can buy pink. Our creepy. I'm going to buy creepy. So just do follow the steps as we go. So this on USDT. Check the address. I sorry, check the coin. The coin is USDT. Okay. So this going to convert my USDT to BNB. Let's go BNB. Come to the search bar. NB better BNB convert to the max. So good. This is what I'm going to receive and I confirm. Okay. The reason why I'm choosing BNB because you will know that BNB gives us the the lowest, it has lowest. Every coin has something they call the gas fee. Hey Jesus. Hey, something I did 20 30 30 3.29 do 3.15. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so make we go to withdraw. Okay, you go to the withdraw button, tap on the withdraw. For you to withdraw the money, tap on withdraw, choose BNB. That is the BNB that we have as actual coin that we have. Okay, BNB. So this is the most important aspect that you need to consider. So before I proceed over here, let's go to our Trust Wallet. Now, I want you to follow this very, very strategically. It's very simple. And if you miss a step, you'll be in trouble. So go to our Trust Wallet. Ladies and gentlemen, let me recommend you to buy a coin XRP or XLM or XDC. These coins, you should get them. I beg you, there's no financial advice, but I recommend it to be it will be financial advice to you. I will recommend that. So it's not financial advice, but I'll recommend it to be financial advice to you. Creepy is on $7. Wow, just this afternoon. I saw it on six, but it's now $7. Yes. Sorry, it's not this. I deposited $4 over here. Let me put it this way. So somebody will not get confused. I deposited $4 over here. Okay, and then it's up now to $7. So just now imagine if someone deposited $700 on this coin. No, not even seven. That's just $400 or 4,000 or 4K or something, anything like four. Let me use $400 for if someone deposited $400 on this coin, the coin is up now. So the person is going to receive, will be having about 700 of the coin, no, of the money, 700 of the money. So it means that is it 200% or 20% or something like that is on the money. So if you do your calculation, any amount that you are holding on creepy for do the calculation. So I just copied the values. I hope you understand it. We are learning, but just come to Trust Wallet. You copy the wallet address and then you go to your Binance. Let me go back and show you because I was just talking. I love talking, I like talking too much. Even though I love talking, I like talking too. It's not the same. It's a different word, but with different action. If you understand. So this is what I'm trying to make. You copy, okay, copy, make sure it's BNB that you are copying. Okay, BNB that you're copying, and then the network smart chain BNB asset. So you come here, copy and go to your Bybit account, then you paste it over here. You paste it to make it very simple. Then come to its network chain type. Network chain type is automatically selected for us BNB. This is it. So and then how much are we transferring? Let's go. You see how much are we transferring? We are clicking on max, which means that we are transferring all the assets. Okay, then we click on withdraw. This is very simple. But before that, you have to know confirm. This confirm that withdrawal application submitted. This is my withdrawal application submitted. Okay, this is my withdrawal application. Now let's go to our Trust wallet and see what is going on. Happen next. So BNB transferred to Trust wallet. Let's see what happens next. How much are we having now? And what are we having now? So I'm going to buy Creepy again. Yeah, I'm going to buy Creepy again. I was having $4 on Creepy. Actually, I shocked sale. I thought the money was mine. I have 16, so I think Creepy is in. Yeah, the amount is in. Here is it. The $3 is in. Okay, so I'm going to swap it to buy Creepy. Okay, so $3 is in. So I'm going to swap it to buy Creepy. So now let me go and show you how to buy the Creepy. You get a Creepy over here. If you're not seeing Creepy, for me, I'm seeing Creepy over here. So if I want to see Creepy, just come to the search bar. Okay, search bar, and then type CREPE. Creepy. Here is it. Okay, make sure the results you are seeing over here, it will be very many, but make sure is the same coin. Solana have Creepy. You don't not this one that we are talking about. Okay, this not this one is not what we are talking about. So Creepy is this one that we are talking about. Before, even if you tap on it, make sure you check it. You check it very well. So the coin is up plus 10.30%. So I'm going to now my listeners in notification says received. Okay, so I'm going to swap it. Now let's swap. We are swapping from BNB to Creepy. Okay, I hope you understand. Swapping from BNB to Creepy. Let's click on the max. The max gives us this. Then loading. So this is how much we are going to purchase Creepy. Now let's go. Continue. And then confirm. You have to pay gas fee. So the gas fee will be automatically, deducted in those stars. So that is the gas fee and those stars to confirm. Then we are good to go. So let's see how much are we holding on Creepy for now. How much are we holding on Creepy for now? Let's see. I hope you guys are with me. Good. So we are done with the video. This is how much we uploaded for now. So Creepy is up. We are having $10 in the wallet. Why now? So $10 on Creepy. Okay. I'm going to hold this coin till. Okay, I'm holding this coin till, and then I'm praying to add more up. So to to advance. So for now, we are holding this coin now. Okay, any amount that you have on you can just buy it. I just bought it from the beginning the lowest right of I think I bought just $1 in the beginning when it was I bought just $1, and then later I transferred it to I've upgraded it to $4 of each, and the system is rising, and it's now it gave me from $4. It took me from $4 to 7. Now let's see. We have 10 now. Let's see what happens next. If you're not investing, please I beg go and buy. Just go and buy. Okay, this is just a simple video. Now let's see what is trending. You come to here, gonna see a trending coins like coins that are also trending up. Okay, also bringing new liquidity on the platform. Wow, we have wrap liquid scalp. Now I'm not going to channel this. So Oprah, hey Jesus Christ, I saw this coin this afternoon. It was $9. Now it's up to 14.2. Oh my god. Hey, what a miss. So this is the needful. The reason why I'm saying that you guys should, I saw this coin this afternoon. It was 9. Now it's 14.2. So imagine if I would have bought it, like Charlie, I've been in profit too. 69. That's 69. It's still rising, It's still rising. It's now 14.2. So 69, no, 68.78 percentage increase. So yeah, make I buy some. So I can buy directly from here. Okay, I can buy directly from here. I can buy directly from here. The last time I told you how to go about it. Okay, so I can buy directly from here. Let's see if I can buy 150. Can I see this from this coin? I'm buying it with my card. Google Pay. I'm not going to buy Google Pay. I'm buying it with my card. Let's see. Let's continue to see if I can buy. How much am I going to receive? Not even up to one. No, not even up to one. But I'll buy it. Not even up to one. But I'll get this. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me end here for you. Okay, this is an exchanger. I'm going to buy this small coin. See how about it goes. So, just thank you for your time. Okay, thank you for your time, and kindly make sure you subscribe to the channel. Kindly, I beg, subscribe. No, what is this? Oh, I don't know how to use this exchange. So let me go to my Binance Bybit and then go about the process again, see how it goes. Thank you.